It's your girl Taylor, and I'm back with another video. If you haven't seen the title already, then you should already know. But if you didn't read the title and just clicked on it because of the thumbnail, thank you. I worked hard on it. Finally, like, I've been waiting for this. Amazon package came in. Period. Big package. I need some big scissors. So basically, this is acrylic nail set. Got a bunch of different stuff in there. My head itching a little bit. This is basically an acrylic nail set. Oh, if you're new, please like, subscribe, click the bell so you'll be notified every time I post. Oh, I was so excited. I'm about to open this thing up. Oh, before I do, please like, comment, I already said that, but please like, comment, subscribe, click the bell, and follow me all on my socials. That's going to be in the description. Go ahead, do that, please. We're gonna crack open this package. Because I've been wanting to learn how to do nails. Go ahead. Be able to show y'all. I got my pants going right there. Ooh. Okay. Wait, I got it. Okay. Wait, hold on, wait. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Hold on, wait. Let me go on my desk. Alright, guys, I'm back over here. Alright, there we go. I'm brought it to my desk. A little desk down over here. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got here. It's gonna be like acrylic stuff. Ooh. I'm assuming this is where a majority of the stuff is. But ooh. This other pink box. And I don't know. Ooh. Okay. It's by Wooby Fine. It's by Wooby Fine. I don't know what that's the brand. But well, yeah, I already know. I'm unboxing this nail set that I got from Amazon. Okay, let me get my scissors. So, ooh. I think it's coming either. I'm not sure. Let me open it. Could that smell like a monomer? Liquid monomer? I don't know. Something like that. Oh, I can't fit that there. Okay, let's open this bad boy. But I'm not gonna do my nails today. I'm just gonna show y'all what I got. Ooh, it smells like a whole nail salon, bro. It's not that strong. Unless I open the box, but let me put this little box to the side. At least it got a carrying case because this is so helpful because I don't like putting my stuff in like a paper bag or in my drawer and it might spill. But it might spill in here, but it's more, you know, sealed. Ooh. Okay. I don't think nothing really waste. I'm sorry. Get it together, Taylor. Get it together, cause like, but bro, no, bro, like in happiness, because like, bro, oh my gosh, like let me stop playing, bro, yes sir. My nails gonna be lit, cause we're not gonna talk about that. Yeah, we're not. Yeah, like my nails are growing out, so. New nails, new sets. Okay, so what this package came in was a little compartment, not a compartment. Y'all know what I mean when I say stuff like this. Like, ooh, it has like a bunch of stuff in here. Let me go ahead and do a little haul for y'all. Oh, this one might have been what has spilled something out of here, cause I feel it. I think, yeah, might have been, yeah, cause I think it might have been that glue, cause I think that's like the smell of mono. I think, I'm not sure, but okay, let me show y'all. So, ooh, this bag, little baggie, came with like nail little like to acetone wipes to like take off the polish off your nails. Nail foams. I'm not gonna open it right now. A buffer, another buffer, a different type of shape buffer. Another thing to get the dust off your nails. Y'all see it. I'm assuming, yeah, that's nail glue. 2 things of nail glue. I'm not sure what this little thing is right here. I think it's like a form to make like 3D kind of like shapes and stuff. A big thick file. I like these. I like thick files so I can like, you know. A cuticle pusher and like this. I'm not sure what this is. Cuticle pusher, nail design thing to get like details. Like, oh, nail art daughter thing. Y'all know what I'm talking about. No, y'all probably don't. This is, I don't know, this is like a tweezer. Y'all can't really see it. It's like backwards, but I think that's all that's in here. Yeah, this is actually you. But next, bro, like art brushes, art paint brushes to help with the nail detail, because I've been seeing a bunch of stuff on TikToks. And my nails been looking rough. I mean, I've done some nails, but it hasn't been like acrylic nails. I haven't worn acrylic nails in almost a year because of COVID and quarantine. Ooh, okay. This is the, okay. Ooh, okay. The Sun Mini. Okay. Okay, Sun Mini. I'm assuming it has like a plug. I'm guessing not. Wait, okay, so. Ooh. Oh, wait, it does have a plug. Oh, it's right here. I'm not going to plug it up, but this, wait, how am I supposed to, okay, there we go. Oh, I was trying to open it. Okay, open sesame. This is like, and you have the cord, you plug it up, and then this is for like putting your nails under there. Can y'all see? Like putting your nails under there. Period, because I have to let my stuff air dry. No longer. The Sun Mini UVLD nail lamp. I've been needing one of these. Put this to the side. I got the charger. I put this up to the side. Next is, a damping dish to put the monomer stuff in. Okay. This is the monomer. It's in like a little bag. Because, yeah, I can tell. Professional use only. Okay. Yeah, I'm using this for professional use only. Let me put that over here instead of putting it on my bed. Oh, okay. Got little, glitter. Not glitter, but like, yeah, stuff like that. Okay. Ooh. Like little, bejeweled stuff. Oh, and this must be the polymer white powder for a professional acrylic system. This is the white. The top one is the white. This one is the pink, the middle one, and I'm assuming this bottom one is the clear. Hopefully it looks professional, like really, really professional. Okay. Ooh. I got another drill. Like, cause the other one I got, it's not like a drill, like. Y'all know what I mean. Y'all probably know. Next is this drill. The black, red, pink, blue, white. And I got the white one. Okay. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. I'm not trying to unbox everything. Well, I am trying to unbox. Ooh. Oh, got a nice drill bit. Got, ooh. you attach it to the bottom or the cord, and you put the bits from here to the top. Okay. Well, I guess I can get my other drill in him if you really want to be doing nails, or give it back to my mother. Okay. This is nice. Let me hurry up. Let me speed up. Because I have a whole nother box to do. Oh. White nail tips, French tips, and these are clear. These clear look good. I've never used clear, but I've never used these kinds, so I hope these are good. Okay. Oh, they kind of busted, but well, no, it's just this one. These have like powder, like not powder, but like you know what I mean, glitter, like, and you can add like the color onto it. Okay. I'll put this back in here. Another, oh, these got like jewels on them. And these are UV top coat and UV base gel. And this one is a primer. Thank you. Yeah, got everything up in here. And that's it, yeah. Alright, I'm about to open this thing up. Oh, I forgot that I took that. Wubby Fine has a manual, and the other one has a manual too. Forgot to show y'all that. So the professional acrylic nail kit will be by Wubby Fine. Okay. Oh, okay. No! Oh my gosh. Cause like I've seen people with these, like, okay, like y'all do not understand. Ooh, and these are good quality. They don't really lock up, like they. Oh, okay, but they could like trim it to the right size that you want, like the right length. Okay. But I got some that are, oh wait, actually some of these could be used to like apply the acrylic. Like there's like a flat brush and then like a long brush. I see. These are tweezers. That's what it was in the other one. I'm not gonna call them like to separate your toes or your manicure, your pedicure, you know, or toe separators, as the people of TikTok call them. These are like you know, pearl jewels, all that type of stuff. Again, nail forms. Nothing wrong with having extras. Not a thing. This is cuticle clipper trimmer. Ooh, and some more diamonds, some rhinestones, you know. Not a bro. A practice nail, bro. Okay, let me stop being real, but they literally have everything I need, like in this box, like a box sent from heaven. Like they have a practice nail. I'm gonna practice on this if I don't want to practice on myself, but I most likely will. But practice nail, a practice nail. Next is a step 8, yeah, step 7 fingernail buffer. Okay, nail flower, monomer. Okay, MMA free. Good to know, very good to know. Oh, also this is a purple one where you can off your feet and toes, like mainly your hands, where you can just do this and get like the dust off. Wubifine Pro's Choice glue and brush on. It's like a brush on glue. Thank you. A dapping dish. Okay, let's see what these two. Wubifine. Okay. Keep away from children. Okay. Ooh, geez, I dropped it. Top coat. top coat, and this is base coat. Let me put these back in here. This is a white acrylic powder. This is a clear acrylic powder. I'm trying to let it focus for y'all. Like, focus, camera. Sorry, but this is clear. Pink. This is also pink. I'm trying to go through it fast. Oh, and also, what else? This is UV gel, white, clear, and oh, well, this is white. This is clear. And this is the pink one. And that's it. Well, no, I'm sorry. I'm trying to go through it fast. But these also are some, like, glitter, like, pigment stuff that you can put on your nails. These are glitters. Pink, pink, pink. Glitter, glitter. Together forever. Linda and Heather. Alright. Ooh. These are nude. Not nude. I said nude. But these are nail tips. I'm not sure what they're called. But these also, I got 2 different types. There's like, the other one that y'all saw was white. And this one, this is like a regular kind of one. And this is clear. I want to try out the clear soon. Ooh, geez. But I believe that's it. And I will let y'all know, maybe at the end of the video or in the next video, how it goes. Because, to be honest, all these products are pretty good. Like, I'm excited. And this one back here, there are like a bunch of them. I'm just like, I'm excited to use this right here. And it has like a sticky tab, like right here. You can pull it off and just like, but you probably can remove it, but you just want to make sure you got it in the right spot that you want it. And it's like most likely the time where you're gonna practice. But I am obsessed with this package. All I have to say to wrap up this video is thank y'all so much for watching, and I will let y'all know because I'm probably not going to do it today, but probably most likely test this stuff out this weekend. And I most definitely will let y'all know in my next video